Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to set a default address in Amazon on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course I'm going to open my Amazon applications, and if you want to set for your default address, you just have to go to this profile option at the bottom. And after, in this page, you have to choose this account options. And after here, you just have to scroll it down until you found out here the your address options. Just tap net. And now go ahead to this add a new address. And in this page, you have to fill these columns, yeah guys. The first column, you have to enter your phone number. And also here, you can easily tap on this use my location for the location address, or if you want to add it manually, you just have to enter it from the postcode here for the address line 2, and for the town or city, and also here for the country. And if you're done, you just have to tap on this add address. Yeah, I think it's enough guys, a tutorial from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.